At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, in the morning here, we are going to talk about the Integrity Commission. We are going to talk about Delroy Chuck. And you know, so we have to talk about Steve McGregor. And we have to talk about Marky G. And we can't leave out Andrew Owens, because you know, so in between, I have to call that the man the name. You understand? Remember, say him the number one criminal in Jamaica, so we can't leave him out. So my wisdom warriors, yeah? The Integrity Commission, I see, has described as misguided, yeah? This is the comments made by Justice Minister Delroy Chuck. Remember yesterday, me talk about it. But me just do a recap, really, yeah? About Delroy Chuck. So, Delroy Chuck is encouraging the MPs, my wisdom warriors, to not to give IC them information. Remember, if IC investigate you, if IC asks you for declare things them, and you fill out a statutory declaration, why you go with tell information? That means say, you no want to nothing verify. They don't want to verify for them thing. Me have to really laugh, because my sister, they not so sensible. My sister, them not so sensible. Anyhow, my wisdom warriors, you know, say, I see run out, I see run out from yesterday. Lord, I see run out. And this is what I see said. Retired Justice Seymour Panton, the chairman of the Integrity Commission IC, has scolded Justice Minister Delroy Chuck for advising his parliamentary colleagues not to comply with a critical provision in the IC Act that requires them to furnish information about their spouses' earnings to the anti-corruption body. My wisdom warriors, when I hear this here, what Delroy Chuck tell them. So if everybody have to, remember, all parliamentarians have to follow the act. It is by law. You see? You see what Delroy Chuck do now? Delroy Chuck breach the law. You see what is going on? You see these people have no respect. No good governance. Is this good governance? Let me ask you, Delroy Chuck. Is this good governance? I want to get up on our talk about Marky G. Let me ask JLP, Labour Right, is this good governance? You are encouraging the MPs to withhold information from the IC. Remember, you have to follow rules and regulation. Remember, you have to follow the act. So wait there, you want everybody to follow UNO, but UNO not follow the act. Remember, say IC, Remember, say IC is doing an investigation. Even if they not do no investigation, remember, every single person is allowed to fill out a statutory declaration form and declare everything. Yeah? And you Delroy Chuck, use your brain, You advise the MP them for who withhold information. So when them withhold information now, you know what going to happen? Them have to go investigate them. And that going to happen. Them are going to investigate them. I'm telling you something. You see if the DCP did a send Unaga prison, all this will not happen. Delroy Chuck, you wouldn't even have time to think like that. And just because you know, say, if Uno withhold information, the only thing them are going to say is pay a fine. That's it. Uno not going to go to prison. But Uno for start go to prison for these things. You fi start go prison for these things. You know to out of order. You don't have no respect. And you know my wisdom warriors are only one man a cause this, Andrew Wellness. Andrew Wellness a cause this. And him give them the strength. Him give them the strength. Make them can come out and talk like this. So you realize that Delroy Chuck is actually encouraging his MPs, the JLP, come sure no say, and a PNP ma encourage. Delroy Chuck is a justice minister, you know. A justice minister. And encouraging MP not to follow the law. Is that a good governance? Delroy Chuck, is that a good governance? All boy, you need to resign. You need to resign because you are encouraging your MPs to break the law. To breach the law. Yeah. This is unacceptable. This is totally unacceptable. Something need to be done about this. This is wrong. Delroy Chuck always come out and chat some shit. Always I saw him come out and laugh at the people that will get graped. Me have a video, you know. Me not forget. You laugh and you make fun of it. Of people that get graped, Delroy Chuck. So me know say you no one good, brother. Me know you is not a good man. The whole town is a wicked set of shit house. My wisdom warriors, you know remember when me play it over here? How we laugh? How Delroy Chuck a laugh after the people them. After the ladies them will get graped. And I say the men them just want to be adventurous. Hey, you don't remember? Delroy Chuck you go like you're somebody. Yes, nobody. Yes, nobody. Yeah, and me like I see me start dig down you. Me like I see him would start dig down you and search down your background. Yeah, me like I see. I that them for do. Search you go way back in the 50s. I that them for do because something about you. Something about you, Delroy Chuck, not sit well with me. Something about you. You are encouraged the MP them to withhold information from the IC. My wisdom warriors, you see, Jamaica Labour Party need to lift up from out of House of Parliament. The whole of them need to go. The whole of them need to go. This is no joke. This is serious. Every single one of them need to go. Mighty God of Daniel. What is this? What is this? We not try to discredit the IC. It not go work. It not go work. So when you are encourage your MP for all information, yeah, and the IC I got in a problem. And them I got in a problem. And them I got in a problem, you know, not IC. But my wisdom warriors, you know see the trick. Remember, say Delroy Chuck come out other day, and Delroy Chuck say him, the government, him and the government, the whole of them, want to limit what IC investigate. You can imagine? Remember, say IC is independent, you know. So how you fi come and talk about you want limit? Limit what? My Jamaican people, you know what me find funny? You know what me find really funny, me people? Is how Delroy Chuck say the reason why him want the MP them, yeah, for withhold information is because the IC is in court. Yeah? Because the IC is in court for the whole shebang we are galang with Andrew Wallace. That makes sense? Talk it out. That makes sense, me people? That don't make no sense, don't it? It don't make no sense because Andrew Wallace Steve charity money, SSL money going to Andrew Wallace account, Andrew Wallace Steve taxpayer money, Andrew Wallace have whole heap of scandal going on, yeah? And you no think say Andrew Wallace for step aside. You no think say all of this surrounding Andrew Wallace name, this dirty scandal that surround Andrew Wallace name. You no think say Andrew Wallace for step aside. Eh? You not think that. You no fit talk about good governance. You Jamaica Labour Party. You no sign the code of conduct. Remember, you know, remember the code of conduct consists of good governance. It is all about respect for the Jamaican people and good governance for the Jamaican people, yeah? And no sign it. None of the Jamaica Labour Party no sign the leadership code of conduct. That alone, we fi vote out Andrew Wallace for. That alone, Andrew Wallace fi step aside. But since as in and step aside, we just have to say, vote him out. You understand? My wisdom warriors and the ministers them this as bad. They stay just like Andrew Wallace. So none of them no fit for step in that the role there. So all of them need to go. All of them need to resign. But anyhow, Me like how Icy come out and a slam up Del right chuck. Me like how Icy come out because Icy no do nothing wrong. When you come out and I say Icy a tell lie. Listen, Icy cannot tell lie upon the Prime Minister. That's a one thing. Number two, Icy is liable also. You hear me? Icy is liable also. So if you use your brain. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, enough of that. Me want to take in Marky G. Hear this.
Heads of Central Kingston. Yes, sir. It brings me great pleasure. That's right. To present to you a man of quality, a man of power, a man of vision, a man of commitment, a man of integrity, a man who you deserve to serve you well. I bring to you your candidate in the next general election for the great constituency of Central Kingston, the constituency of Ralph Brown, the constituency of Michael Joshua Manley, the constituency of Ronnie Tates and many others. But I'm here to bring to you tonight your candidate, the victory candidate for the next general election, Comrade Steve McGregor. Comrades of Central Kingston, it brings me great pleasure to present to you a man of quality, a man of power, a man of vision, a man of commitment, a man of integrity, a man who you deserve to serve you well. I bring to you your candidate in the next general election for the great constituency of Central Kingston, the constituency of Ralph Brown, the constituency of Michael Joshua Manley, the constituency of Ronnie Tates and many others. But I'm here to bring to you tonight your candidate, the victory candidate for the next general election, Comrade Steve McGregor.
Say, not because I am the Usain Bolt, I'm kind of really. When we get that medal, there's a medal for everyone, to include Comrade Road. If he says, I'm the love train. In this week, I am going to make effort to sit and speak to him. Now, you know, say, I'm not afraid of nobody. I'm going to watch him for you. But I'm sitting down, I'm going to talk to him. And I ask him some question. If he's still a comrade, make me talk. I'm not saying no more about that. All I know is that some people have said the PNP bring me from outside to come and Central Kingston. If he said it, no more, McGregor.
All these political things have been said in the last few days. Why, I don't know how much lie can tell on the radio, on TV, and wherever, social media. The party took a decision in accordance with the rules of the party, in the best interest of the people of Central Kingston. And he's willing to serve and he came on board. The man is a member of the party as he leave the force and join the party. And you know, I think it will be a new day for Central Kingston.
That's right.
For all the little shenanigans and things that go on before, that cut out now.
That's right.
A real man is here.
Yeah.
To serve the people.
My wisdom warriors, the people them love Steve McGregor. The people them turn out. The people them turn right out. When I hear me, my wisdom warriors, me have one little video clip right there, so, you know, for you to see. The people them turn right out. If the people them, yeah, never want Steve McGregor. Remember, you know, other day nationwide. Hey, nationwide show one little voice over and I show some little building and the area and I say the people them no want Steve McGregor. Then if the people them never want Steve McGregor, why the people then turn out? Come on, like serious nationwide, don't know if you stop it, you know. Don't know if you stop it. Gotta go beat on you know. Cliffios, nationwide, gotta go give you a beating. You too wicked. You know why? Because you know what I do. It's when somebody not have understanding my wisdom warriors and them don't know what them do. It is different. But when you see people are suffer and people want justice and Jamaican people want betterment, not only for themselves, but for their children. And they have a radio station. I put out propaganda and now put out the real news. God have to beat them. Them are going to get a beating from God. Yeah, man. Uno go come down, man. Uno go come right down to the ground. Uno nationwide. Uno for stop it. Uno wicked and bad. My wisdom warriors, the people then come right out. The people them come right out. Them support Steve McGregor. What not talk about? You see, everything where you see nationwide and the whole of them are Lawrence Rowe. Lawrence Rowe a JLP. You hear me? Lawrence Rowe is a JLP and I know PNP. Just like Venetia. Remember, I know. Who remember when Venetia left from PNP? Venetia say 2 years, you know, since him attack with the other side, you know. 2 years. 2 years. And she a traitor. Well, Lawrence Rowe is a big dirty traitor. Him no different from Venetia. My wisdom warriors. So Lawrence Rowe, let me tell you something, brother. You see, if you're not going to release the voice note where you say you have any text, we not believe you. We the Jamaican people not believe you. And let me tell you something. You see the 15 million, if Mark Golden promised him 15 million, yeah, the 15 million is not taxpayers' money. It's not taxpayers' money. Come on, Jamaica. We need to talk about the 81 million where the JLP thief, Auditor General just put it out. The 33 million where JLP thief underneath the KSA MC Delroy Williams, yeah, Auditor General put it out. Talk about all these things. The 88 million were gone missing under the JLP when Delroy Williams was the mayor. Talk about that. Talk about all these things. You understand? You don't need to come off a Marky G. You don't have nothing upon the man. You don't try to pull something and say it is a scandal. Hey, you see you, Cliffios. You see you. You see you big face, broad face boy. You have to stop it, you know. You have to stop it. 15 million a scandal. Is 15 million a scandal? The man not even get the money. And guess what? It is not taxpayers' money. So what is the big deal? It is alleged Marsha Simit collect money from JLP too. And me says so there's allegations out there. So what is the big deal? Uno just a try to put something on Marky G. Uno no feel away. Seriously. Uno no feel away when uno see say nothing on the on Marky G. But uno have to plan up something to make Marky G look bad. God I go beat on a nasty blouse and skirt. God, I go beat on the nastiness. I say me can't wait. God, I go deal with you. Remember me at half of the press tell you. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, taking this.
Jamaica's next Prime Minister, coming Mark Jefferson Golden. Oh, and I see the chairman of the party is also here, Dr. Angela Kronberg. Member of Parliament, the chairman of the People's National Party. Kingston, come with me, Paul Well. Come on the inside. Comrades, the party leaders, Central Kingston. And I say welcome to everybody to the candidate presentation.
Make we sweep for bad mind, make we sweep for the thief in crime, make we sweep for the false promise. Yo, Bunty, get your
Comrade Pulsar from Ireland Town, Commissioner, welcome to the meet. Sitting outside, here is the speaker that I have for you is a young man, but I say young, I call upon you because you're strong. And in his third term, I've been before that, could be wrong. From the Winfield Town Division, I say welcome. Councillor Eugene Kelly from Southwest St. Andrew. Please welcome Councillor Kelly.
Comrades of Central Kingston, are you ready? Listen now, it's a touch and go right now, and everybody has a hold of mic and keep it moving. Comrades, Central Kingston, you're in good hands. My mother would say, wherever the police go, the people will go. This move by the People's National Party is a testament that we are making a commitment to the Jamaican people that the security of the Jamaican people will be at the forefront. When Steve McGregor was heading the command post in the Kingston Central East Division and he was leaving, I said, why did not send him down at St. Andrew South? Because he was a real crime fighter, passionate about his work. And so he was passionate about his work as a crime fighter. He will be passionate about his work in representing the people of Central Kingston. Stand firm, comrades. In the word of your former member of Parliament, Michael Malley, the word is law.
My wisdom warriors, wanna see the crowd? Wanna see some people turn out? Wanna see that? I just the crowd me did want show you know. Wanna see that? So when I see people a comment and a text me and a tell lie, hey, labor rights, you know what? Me realize say, uno just a set a liar. Or uno probably no know. So uno just talk anything will come to uno mind. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what to think, yeah, man, because the whole place turn up last night. When I said the place turn up, the place turn up, and the people them love Steve McGregor. Uno na see the support of the man get. Remember, PNP love the man, you know, and Labour Right love the man. You see the little Labour Right them come on social media, come bad up with them finger, and overseas they live. That's the people them on the ground all out for Steve McGregor. The people them on the ground. You understand me? So, big up yourself, Steve McGregor. Welcome, my wisdom warriors. Wanna put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.